Hi everyone, introducing an exciting opportunity for you. It's Vadnagar Vigas B Reel Competition for you. So this is a reel competition where you are supposed to create reels for this challenge. So the last date for application is 11th September 2026. So the first prize is 31,000, second prize is 21,000 and third prize is 11,000 rupees. So the topic is participants may create reels on the following theme, that is Vadnagar, Vigas B. So the reels may creatively highlight Vadnagar's ancient historical and archaeological heritage, historical monuments and places of cultural significance. So it's a great opportunity for you. Check it out. So the tourism development and emerging tourism experiences can also be included. Modern infrastructure and development initiative, the transformation of Vadnagar while preserving its heritage, the connection between Vadnagar's glorious past and its promising future. So heritage and development moving together. So what are the technical requirements? They are asking for a resolution of minimum of 720 pixels, duration of 30 to 60 seconds, language can be Gujarati, Hindi or English. Originality, reels must be creatively created and edited by the participant. The use of stock footage is permitted. AI generated content and copyrighted material used without permissions are not permitted. So it's a great opportunity for you. So if you like these opportunities, please do leave a like, and for such exciting opportunities from around the globe, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel Idea Mela. Thank you very much.